welcome back to my channel. My name is Victoria, and in today's video we're going to be making a delicious fudge cookie. And of course this cookie is keto. If you have not seen my channel already, everything I do on my channel is keto. And I don't want to keep you guys too long. I want to get straight into this video. But before I get straight into this video, do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and after you subscribe to my channel, go ahead and turn on those post notifications so you can be notified when I do post a new video. Now let's get this recipe started, and I'll show you guys exactly how to make this cookie. So I have mostly everything set out. I am gonna get started with this recipe, but if you don't catch everything that's in this video, do not forget to go ahead and check down below in the description box, because the recipe will also be there for you to go back for future reference or to write it down yourself and follow the recipe. So like I said, if you don't catch it in the video, go ahead and check the description box out to get the full recipe. Okay, so I already got in a bowl some coconut flour and some cocoa powder. So to that bowl, we're gonna go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, MCT oil, three room temperature eggs, one cup almond milk. I don't have almond milk, so I made a mixture of cream and water. Okay, I'm just gonna use electric. So much easier. Next time, instead of just guessing if everything's gonna fit in the bowl, I'm just gonna use a bigger bowl next time. So the rest of the recipe, I'm gonna get some chocolate chips, put it in a bowl. You can either microwave it or put it on the stove. You just gotta melt it down. So I'm gonna pop it in the microwave. My chocolate chips that I'm using, they are not sweetened, so I am gonna add erythritol to them to give them a sweeter taste. If you have chocolate chips that are already sweetened, obviously don't add more sweetener. today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and try this cookie recipe. I can't get it to show that it's super moist on camera. I'm trying, but it doesn't look that moist, but trust me, it is. Usually coconut flour is kind of dry when you bake with it, but this recipe actually came out really super good, super fudgy inside, just like it should be. So go ahead and try this recipe out. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and I will see you guys soon with a new video. Bye guys.